right now I look like this. I'm suited and booted, ready to clean. As y'all can tell by the title of this video, we cleaning up, okay? This place is a hot mess and I'm tired of looking at it, and so I finally got the energy and the strength to get up and clean, so that's what I'm about to do. Okay, so if you're looking at this video, you need some motivation. Here's your motivation. Get up. It's time to clean. Get your gloves on, get your sweatpants on, get your hair tie on if you need it, and get to cleaning. Put that music on, blast it, and get up and clean. All right, so I have a couple things I have to do. I have to fold up some clothes. I have to wash some clothes. I have to wash these dishes. It's not many dishes. I'm currently cooking lunch for Kai. It's not really I'm cooking it because it's a frozen dinner from Trader Joe's. I got the butter chicken with the garlic naan, so that's what I'm doing right now. I have to clean up my bathroom. I have to clean up my room. Y'all, this place is a hot mess and I'm tired of looking at it, so here we go. Oh, and if you're new here, my name is Nikijayy. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And let's go. Break. So the butter chicken and basmati rice is done from Trader. Ah, shoot! Dang, the blood burnt me. Let me let that cool down. So yeah, the basmati rice and the butter chicken is done from Trader Joe's, and then I have the garlic naan that's here that I'm gonna make next to eat with it. Oh, I hope that this buzz. If this bust, y'all, I swear. Oh yeah, it's 4 pieces of naan, but I probably only need 2 for right now. I'll just make 2. Ooh, yummy. This looks delicious. So what I'm gonna do is take that butter chicken off of this baking sheet that I had it on, and then I'm gonna put some foil, the garlic naan on there. Perfect. Then I'm gonna put it in the oven for, it says 1.5 minutes. So let's take that, let's put this in the oven. Hot. I'm gonna set the timer for a minute. Ooh, I'll put this back and I can eat the other 2 the next time I eat the butter chicken. I have another pack in here. So I'm gonna get the butter and just spread it all on there. Delicious garlic naan from Trader Joe's. Let's see if this butter chicken is a little bit cooler and I can rip the plastic off. Let's see. I'm gonna rip this plastic off. Even though I'm a jasmine rice kind of girl, I know Indians, they like their basmati rice. So we'll see. This smells good. Okay, y'all. There it is. Here's the butter chicken. It smells really good. And then the basmati rice. So I'm about to make Kai and I a plate, and then I'll let y'all know how it is. Quick little cleaning intermission break. Looks like Kai's enjoying it. Here's mine. I'm about to eat, y'all. Let me see what this hitting on. Oh. Not bad. Oh, sorry. I put the plate in the dish. I put the plate in the sink already. But y'all, that was delicious. 10 out of 10. I don't even eat frozen food, but that was actually good. It actually tasted like I got it, like bought it from somewhere already made. So yeah, it was good. Cleaning break is done. I'm about to wash these dishes, these couple of plates, and then resume back the cleaning. Let go.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So I'm actually tired. I did my hair real quick because it needed to be done. But yes, I'm exhausted. So I will continue tomorrow. So tomorrow morning we'll do my room, my bathroom, and my closet. And if I'm not tired, I'll do my son's room because his room is a day project on its own. So yeah, guys, I will see y'all in the morning. Good morning, TheNikiJayyWay family. It is day 2 of cleaning. Like I told you guys last night, I finished the living room, I finished the kitchen, and I need to clean my room and the bathroom today. So we're not gonna waste time. We're gonna get Cass some breakfast, and then we're gonna start cleaning because yeah, time is ticking and I got stuff to do today. I gotta go to the mall, all that, edit, all that. So let's go. Bye. Bye.